So, firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. And today's my topic is about Uttarakhand. So, Uttarakhand is the most beautiful state in India. Its capital is Dehradun. This is called for Devbhumi and land of gods. This is called Northern Himalayan. I belong to Uttarakhand also. There is very beautiful rivers like Ganga and Yamuna, and there is pilgrimage, Char Dham, Gangotri, Yamunotri, the Kedarnath, Badrinath. There is beautiful nature, very big Himalayas and there is snowfall, very big Himalaya. There is snowfall month of December, January, February. Here is many beautiful places like Nainital, Bhimtal, Ranikhet, Mukteshwar. Its beauty is mesmerizing. There is grow many healthy fruits and vegetables. There is people very kind and down to earth. There are two main language, Kumaoni and Garhwali. There are two main region, Kumaon and Garhwal. There are many famous temples, Golju Temple, Jageshwar Temple, Garja Devi temples, Purnagiri temples, etc. My state is so beautiful and I love my Uttarakhand. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। क्लियर। और थोड़ा सा ग्रामर का थोड़ा मिस्टेक हो रहा है, वो वाली चीज पे वर्क करना है, ठीक है मैम?
Okay, sir.
लिटिल बिट, ज्यादा नहीं, लिटिल बिट देयर आर सम मिस्टेक्स।